Hello and welcome to a new video on our channel. Today, we're talking about the decal application on a 1991 Renault Clio. We originally wanted to show you a bit of how we applied the decals, but unfortunately, we didn't quite get to that. There'll be a clip shortly. I'll try to share some information about the car. I know nothing about Renault, so most of what I say will probably be wrong, but we'll take a look after the intro. Okay, we have to do this in multiple takes because, as I said, I have no idea. I also keep getting instructions on what to say exactly. 1991 Clio, fully prepped for rally sports, with a cage inside. We'll take a look at the interior shortly. It has a 1.8-liter engine, 16-valve, producing around 140 horsepower. Probably accelerates like a rocket. I think we're probably under a ton. I just learned that we're just over a ton, but still, I think the car is definitely a lot of fun. Here's a quick overview of the decals. We'll provide more details shortly. We'll show you everything we've done with better camera work. This is the original paint job from 1991. We bought it like this, and I helped my friend put all the decals on. As a thank you, I get to make a short video about his car. Let's just get in. As you can see, there's a cage inside, which is always a bit complicated. I'm too old for this kind of thing. Besides seats, cage, and steering wheel, there's not much else inside. Sparco seats, Sparco belts. The seats are bought. Otherwise, everything here is done in-house, as it should be. Let's pan to the dashboard. There's not much more to say about the interior. There's a timer inside, a lamp for map reading. I need to get out of here first. As required in motorsport, here's the emergency stop. Next, let's take a look at the engine again, the 1.816 valve. It's the stock engine. The whole car is, of course, not completely finished yet. But maybe I'll get the chance to make another video when it's fully done. Is this okay for now? I also got permission to take it for a spin. Of course, we'll do that. We won't say no to that. Oh, it's loud. You only have to look at the gas pedal and it runs. Or not.
Entschuldigung. Wo ist denn der
Where's the
Rückwärtsgang?
reverse gear?
Ah. Ja, macht
It's fun,
Spaß. Ist gar
not
nicht
as
so hart, wie
stiff
ich
as I
dachte. Ist halt
thought.
auch ein Rallye-Auto.
It's a
ne? Das
rally
ist klar.
car after all.
Scheiße laut.
Damn loud, damn
Scheiße
loud.
laut. Ich weiß nicht, ob man
I
mich
don't
überhaupt
know
noch
if
versteht
anyone
oder ob
understands
man
me anymore,
irgendwas
or if you
versteht.
can understand anything.
Lenkrad
The
ist geil,
steering wheel is
Gasannahme,
great,
Hammer.
for our
Also das
response
macht
too,
echt Spaß.
so
Den
it's
könnte
really
ich mir
fun.
mal-
I
könnte
could
ich mir mal
borrow
für
this
einen
for the ring.
ausleihen. Ist geil.
Ja, fahr den mal, wenn er fertig ist. Ich muss mal so ein paar Meter über die Straße fahren.
Ja.
Also dritte Gang bei 100, ne?
Wohl, warte mal. Boah, aber
But
da
at the end of
weißt du
the
aber
day,
am Tag,
you
Ende
know
vom
what
Tag,
you've
was du
done.
getan hast, ne?
In the
Beinen.
legs, that is.
Alter Schwede.
Oh boy.
Ja, ungefederte Kupplung ist schon böse.
Das ist...
Organisch und ein bisschen größer.
Ja, also ich höre
I
gerade, die
just
Kupplung
heard
ist
the clutch is
ungefedert
organic
und
and a bit
bisschen
larger.
größer. Also das ist, da
So,
muss man
you
echt
really have to
reinsteigen.
step on it.
Die
It
drückt
pushes
einen
you
auch
back
ordentlich
nicely,
zurück.
so
Also,
not bad. I
ja,
look
nicht
forward
schlecht.
to
Also
when
ich
the
freue mich
car
drauf,
is
wenn die Kiste
finished.
fertig ist, dann darf
Then
ich
I'll
bestimmt noch mal
probably
eine
get to
Runde
take
drehen.
another
Wird er
spin.
vielleicht auch was
It might be
länger.
a bit longer. Awesome
Hammerkiste.
car.
Also
The
das
car
Auto
has been
ist,
with its owner
seit,
since 2011,
2011 bei seinem
who has
Besitzer,
driven
der
many
damit
rallies
schon
with it.
viele Rallyes gefahren hat, also seit 2011 auch die Rallyes gefahren ist.
He has now rebuilt it to look like
hat
it
jetzt
did
halt
in
noch mal neu aufgebaut,
1991
damit
at the
es,
Monte Carlo
so
Rally.
aussieht, wie es 91 bei der Rallye Monte Carlo an den Start gegangen ist. Auf
There
der
are a few
Internetseite gibt's
photos
noch
on the
ein paar,
website, so you
Fotos,
can maybe
damit man das
see it a
vielleicht auch noch
bit
mal ein
better.
bisschen besser erkennen kann. Wir
We
haben
also
hier
have
auch noch mal
solidarity here,
Solidarität. Muss
which
man
we
auch
should
mal
mention.
erwähnen. Und ja,
Well, I
also
think
ich
it
find's
looks
schick.
cool.
Ich bin jetzt nicht
I'm not
unbedingt der
necessarily
größte
the biggest fan of
Franzosen-Fan,
French
aber
cars,
macht ja
but it's
nichts.
okay.
Kann ja,
Everyone
kann
can
ja
do
jeder
as they
machen, wie er
like.
mag.
It
Ist
turned
schön
out well,
geworden. Also ich
and
bin
we're
auch
very
mit den Aufklebern sehr
satisfied with the
zufrieden, oder wir sind
decals.
sehr zufrieden. Und ja, war
It
mal
was
wieder
something
was
different
anderes
again.
und ich hoffe, euch
I
hat es
hope you liked
gefallen.
it. Otherwise, if you
Ansonsten,
don't, you don't.
wenn nicht, dann nicht.
Kann ja noch sein, dass beim nächsten Einsatz.
So, ich
I just got information that we might get some nice onboard footage from the next event with this beauty, which we can show on our channel, so stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss it.
Bleibt dran, abonnieren, damit ihr es nicht verpasst.